Welcome to Sylvia Stingray. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Sylvia, your Yuri Manhwa translator. Hey guys, good afternoon. Let me present you a new chapter of Raise a Crazy Beauty, chapter 29. So, here it is. Let's read the story. Back to General Tantay and Princess Baiman. The two of them finally together. But right now, they're reminiscing the fuss. The fast life on your wedding day. Princess Paiman was seen by General Shaoran before. All disease recurred. Enemy's army was washed with blood and countless people were killed. Well, General Shaorong knows everything because to see Princess Paiman for the two of them getting separated. The second son of the General Ticket Cavalry eliminate his wife. How can I get it better? Such a powerful me. Well, back then, General Sharon really remembers everything happened. Maybe I have no right to love you anymore. Oh, that was before. She was thinking that she can really love Princess Paiman. Well, she really it is. After that, there's a lot of things happen. So, I'm willing to let you go of everything and stop force you. As long as you get whatever you want. So, this is it. This has happened. The fuss, and right now, reminiscing it. Of course, General Sharon really feels sad. I don't go to see you again, but I get the news that you were in prison. Although this life is reborn, the oath of the Nine Kings has been achieved, cannot be changed. But I haven't lost control. I haven't experienced that tragic war. Right now, General Sharon was rubbing her shoulder, probably trying to calm her down. But right now, hearing this, of course, it was really sad. I guarantee that you get a queen's seat. You don't need to wait too long. Soon, I promise. General Sharon said to her. Oh, she was really ready. Took the flower and put the Princess Paiman to the queen's seat. I won't just give you all the time what you want from me. Protect me. Be the queen. You want to climb up yourself. Don't use me as your excuses. Princess Paiman said to her. Oh, this girl. You really don't know how General Shaorong loves her. The fast life you have already climbed the position of the regent. And in this life, you still said that you want to be helping me. You're also good. The Nine Kings are really fond of you. But right now, looking at Princess Paiman. But don't say it for me. I can afford it. Oh, right now, it seems that Princess Paiman, well, maybe she's not ready. Took a chance. General Sharon can really do fulfill her promise. Why do you say that? Don't you want to be a queen? General Sharon is asking her. Right now, Princess Paiman, you want to climb up. Do you say it for me? You let me go. Well, she really even think General Sharon is only using her to be able to gain more power. But she doesn't love her, right? What do you want to say? I won't let you go. Don't you want to be a queen? You don't be a queen. Just follow me to the west. I know many places in very interesting. You will like it. So, right now, it seems that everything is mess on her head. See whether is relying on the Nine Kings to get a throne. Follow Sharon. Go to the west permission. So right now, it really makes sense to her. That's why she's crying hard. Sharon, since you're willing to do anything for me, then don't fight for that seat, okay? Sharon, you don't understand. Well, since Princess Baima knows what will happen on General Sharon also, that's why she's really concerned about her. Right now, if you must fight, General Sharon, she is looking on Princess Baiman. She was really serious about her. You must be become the real flower. Oh, right now, General Sharon, it's like promising to her that she really, I can't. Well, Princess Paiman's still worried. Then, you will also be my future opponent. Princess Paiman said to her. Well, it's General Sharon noticed. Two of them really become enemies in future. So, Princess Paiman said to her, why? Still, right now, General Sharon, she was really serious about helping Princess Paiman to gain more powers, be able to get her on the queen seat. I am reborn person, I know what happened in my previous life. I also can explain Paiman with my past life experience. So this is it. Turns out General Xiaorong knows only a few moments. She really didn't know everything. She really remembers everything happened before. But right now, without a power, he can hold Paiman firmly to protect him. Then, no matter what sits on the seat. So this is it. That's why Princess Paiman, she really got worried. Princess Paiman, sorry, I have troubles. Just want you to leave. General Sharon said to Princess Paiman. Of course, Princess Paiman, she don't want General Sharon to put herself in trouble because of her. So, what's the difference? So right now, General Sharon, all she can do, so she can able to help Princess Paiman in future, whether it's the Nine Kings or Sharon or me. This is Princess Paiman thinks right now. She must really confuse. She should take two. It's up to you. I know very well that the conflict between the aristocratic family and the imperial power has reached an irreconcilable point. So this is it. Regardless of whether I am the queen or not, if I am unwilling to hand over my power, the fate will be the same. Therefore, I don't hate Huan Shaoying, nor can I hate Chu Wang. Because no matter who sits in that position, my ending is the same. Even Xiao Rongshang is the same. Well, Princess Paiman. That's why she feels so agitated. General Xiaorong give her the military talisman of the Xiao family. Wants to give it. Well, for what? Or anything. So it turns out General Xiaorong, this is my military symbol. And it was really important. She's giving it to Princess Paiman. With this, you can command the Xiao family's army. For this thing, the Emperor Curtis. Oh, this is it. It's giving her supreme power so she can handle the Xiao family. But now, at this moment, it is in my hands. She really wants to. Well guys, the story is getting better. Let's hope we can get a new one next week. Hey guys, thanks for watching. If you like the video, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Membership is already open for those who want to support this channel. You can support me by clicking the membership button or you can directly support me via Ko-Fi. Thank you. Bye.